Hello, and welcome to the InterContinental in Doha. Today, we're in room 4407. This is a Club King suite on the 44th floor of the hotel. And the hotel is situated right in the heart of West Bay in Doha. So this is the huge living area when you walk in. There are power outlets everywhere, British, Asian, international, so it doesn't really matter what plug you bring. What have they got? Coffee, water, here and there. I love it when they put your name on the screen. It really feels like a personal welcome. Checking out the master bedroom. Woo! Look at this. Nice. What have we got here? Another TV screen. What's on? CNN, Brexit. So boring. I've got a corner suite. They upgraded me from a regular room to this, which I feel very grateful for. Thank you to the Intercon. This corner suite has pretty extensive views. Way over there is the Aspire Sports Zone, but it's a bit hazy, so you might not see it. Down there is the Doha Corniche. Right here is the CBD, so where all the skyscrapers live is just on your doorstep. And on the other side is West Bay, the West Bay area, and way over there is the Pearl. So what else about the room? They have a pillow menu. Check this out, they have a pillow menu. And you can choose from any of these. I go for the feather down soft, so this is super soft. Oh man, this pillow is incredible. All right, let's check out the ensuite. Oh my God. Whoa, that is a bath with a view. Wow. Now the last time I stayed in the Intercon, there's me, hello everybody. The last time I stayed in the Intercon was in Tahiti. I'll put the link to the video down below. And I remember being impressed by the number of towels that they had. I think they had about 8 towels in the room. This room has 4 towels. I'm only one guy, so I'm not sure I'm gonna get through them all. Here's the amenities. Again, these are the same amenities you get in all Intercon hotels around the world. The difference, at least in my experience, this is like a double size compared to the one in Tahiti. Nice, even get that free too. So that's the sink and bath area. What else? You got scales, more towels. If you don't feel like having a bath, there is, a shower, a rain shower. Nice. You can have a shower, and I hope they can't see in when I'm having a shower. I would imagine this is tinted. So yeah, and more amenities. Nice. And I think there's still more to show you. What's going on in here? What is this? What is this? Of course, the toilet. Okay. Man, this is huge. This is huge. This is bigger than a lot of my apartments. So I think that's it. What did I miss? I think there's another, this might be another bathroom. Yeah, it is. There we go. Nice. Hello. So this is the Club King room on the 44th floor of the Intercon. Not bad. So the reason I checked into this hotel was for one reason and one reason only. This pool. This is the highest rooftop pool in Qatar. It's located on the 46th floor, and it has the most amazing view. Check out that skyline.
Deepak, are you burning something?